when I'm working, it doesn't feel like I'm working. This is what I feel like. I'm constantly, and shared with you guys in the meetings, like too. It feels I've gamified the process where it feels like
Mhm.
when I finish something, I
He
finish
levels up.
I level up or I finish
Gains XP.
like I finished part of side quests. Like the main quest, like for Temper Tantrum, is to make us a really big dance band, or for Vision Paradox
Dance band.
to be like to work to eventually work with $1 million clients. That would be fantastic. That's like
Eventually get $1 million
that's the
too.
main quest. Everything and up until then is side quests that lead up to leveling up to be there.
Mm.
So these are like aspirations that everything is just building up there. So
You guys
okay,
know
so-
how he spends his day off?
This is an after
This
dark
technically-
podcast. Right?
Working.
Day off
Working.
right now.
He's working. I'm like, I thought you weren't working. He's like, no, I'm not working on client stuff. Or like
He's
the
a
other week, or
client
like the other
shopper.
week, it's like,
Like
I'm not
Emeroy,
working
your
on
time
personal
card is
stuff.
24 hours.
He doesn't have a time card.
yeah.
It's
His
just
time
punched
card
in
is when he's
forever.
off.
So
It's just
day
punched in
cards.
forever.
It's his off card.
I mean, it's
But that's good. That's good. That's good.
because
Like you're in the flow. When you work, you're in the flow.
I can
Yeah,
share
it's-
my perspective.